Hi, my name is Christopher Mendoza and welcome to changing out the lift plate video for the RocketBox 2.0. We have a new lift plate technology incorporated in the RocketBox 2.0 that allows our joints to actually become level with each independent size. It's very important for us to be able to change out the right lift plate for the right size in order for us to get the appropriate pack we're looking for in our joints. This means that we have a 109 standard bolt incorporated in the machine as soon as it ships to you, and it's ready to go for your 109 millimeter trays. But let's say I wanted to move on over to an 84 millimeter tray or a 98 special tray. We have these riser bolts over here that are two different sizes, and as you can tell, we can probably understand which ones we'll need. For the A ones over here, these are going to be our 98 specials. For our Bs over here, these are going to be our 84 millimeters. Both of these need to be interchanged depending on which tray you're utilizing for your pack. Currently, I have my lift plate set up to be able to take out. All the bolts have been loosened up and ready to go, and the easiest way to kind of do this is to reach your hand kind of closer to the center of the circle over here and tilt one side out and just try to work with that as best you can with the other side too. Setting that aside over here, I like to keep my bolts in my tray if possible. If not, you can always remove those and just keep them in a nice handy spot for yourselves. We just want to make sure when we put these on, they're not going to be too snug, and we're not over tightening them by any means, but just making sure they're down nice and level with the other one there. Tight is good, too snug is good, but we just don't want to over tighten these. And now we're set and ready to go to put the lift plate on for the 84 millimeters. Simply done just the same way we take it off. I'll take these bolts out or off, try to line up as best I can with these. And then you're set and ready to go to start lining these up. After our lift plate has been affixated to the RocketBox 2.0, we're ready and set to go for that run. Always ensure that you're using the right riser bolt with the right bottom tray at all times. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you have fun with your new RocketBox 2.0.